Hello?
Hi. Hi, Papa Jack. Yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah, it's morning, right? Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning. What's your name?
I'm Saisi from Cagayan de Oro City.
Ha? Komplikado yung pangalan, guys. Oh. Ay, paano spell yung Saisi?
Like Saice. Saisi. Yan.
Ah. So, pag hindi mo sinabi sa akin yung basa nito, babasahin ko ito ng Sais.
Yeah, it's fine.
Di
Ganun
ba?
naman talaga.
Sais, di ba? Bakit
Yeah.
yung...
Please.
Hindi ba kasi,
Mm-mm.
yung dulo di ba? Ano ba yung sauce? Yun lang naman ang pagkakaiba nila. Sauce.
Yeah,
Oh.
say.
Sais.
Okay.
So,
Good.
ang basa rito ay Saisi. Ilan taon ka na, Saisi?
I'm 36.
36.
Yes.
From CDO. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Anong oras na dyan ngayon?
Ah, siyempre, nasa Pilipinas tayo. Siyempre,
Ano ba yan?
3:21 a.m.
Attentive
Yes.
naman to si Saisi. Hindi ko siya naisahan. Anong
Yes.
ginagawa sa buhay ni Saisi?
Negosyante?
Anong business
Yan.
mo?
Yes. Mm-mm. Yes, sir.
Anong business mo?
Mga sari-sari store, ganun lang. Maliit lang. Well,
Wait lang,
yeah.
mga or di marami kang sari-sari store?
like sari-sari store at the same time, may kakanin ako, ganun. Pag umaga. Yeah.
So ano ka
ganun.
pala na maabilidad? Marami kang ano.
Siyempre.
Buti naman.
We're not getting any younger anymore. So you have to, talaga.
Ako, I'm getting younger. Kayo lang yan. Kayo lang you were not getting any younger. Ako, I'm getting younger.
Yes. Tignan mo nga yung mata mo. Pungay na pungay. Mm-mm.
Tumawag-tawag ka
Okay.
pa kasi. Antok na ako. Charot lang. May asawa ka na ba, Saisi?
Hindi, girl.
Ha?
I don't have. I don't have.
I don't have. Okay.
Yes.
May boyfriend.
Ayun na nga, problema.
Nako. Okay. Oh, wala ka namang anak, ganun. Wala, hindi ka pa single mom.
Zero.
Okay. So,
No, don't have.
okay. So, may jowa ka ngayon na medyo malabo. Parang yan ba yan?
Hindi ko alam kung jowa ko siya. Because I don't know talaga. That's why I'm calling you. Kasi gusto kong malaman kasi I don't have peace of mind as of now. Promise.
Okay. Tell me the background, the story. Go ahead.
Where to start? Kasi medyo mahaba to eh. So I have to ano ba?
Go ahead. I have the time. That's okay.
Okay. So, 7 years. LDR.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. He's a aircraft mechanic. So, hindi ko alam kung i-consider ko ba siya na LDR kasi umuwi siya every other month.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So, that time, I knew him sa dating site.
Okay.
Yeah. So, wala akong time na kilalanin siya
Mm-hmm.
kung may anak ba siya, may asawa ba siya. Ang sa akin lang is, I want to be happy.
Mm-hmm.
Ganon.
Okay.
So syempre siya, parang, okay, you want to be happy? Sige, okay, bigay ko to sa'yo. You want to be happy. So, at the time comes na 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 5 years, bigla na lang pumasok sa isip ko na I have to know him. Kasi parang medyo matagal na eh. Diba? 5 years, parang medyo matagal na.
Mm-hmm.
Ang sabi niya lang sa akin is, I think it's not the right time. So, ako, okay lang. Kasi
Pag sinabi mo
galante di ba?
Pag sinabi mo na I have to know him, anong kahulugan ng I have to know him? Ano bang hindi mo alam?
I have to hold him. Like, ano ba? Like, meron ka bang anak? Kasal ka ba?
So, naisip mo yan, gaano katagal na kayo nagkikita?
Many times. Hindi ko lang
mga
siya,
gaano
oo,
katagal na
hindi
kayo?
ko,
Gaano katagal
hindi
na?
ko lang siya, kasi Papa Jack, hindi ko lang talaga siya ma-confront. Kasi, galante eh. Like, pag umuwi siya sa akin, may pera eh. Like, parang, oh, may gift ako, may alas, ganyan, may ano, ganyan. So, syempre ako, nawawala yung ano. Yung syempre, okay, okay, sige, sige, baka, ano, in the right time, di ba? Ganon. So, uh, wala, okay, to make the story short, uh, 7 years. Okay, tumagal siya ng 7 years. Doon na ako nagtanong. Like,
Tumagal ng 7 years na hindi kayo committed at yan lang yung relasyon
yes,
ninyo.
yes sir. Yeah, sorry sir. Sorry Papa Jack. Yes, yeah. Tumagal siya ng ganun.
Okay.
Kasi wala eh, na sketch tape ba para yung bibig ko na, oh, ayan, oh, pera, ganyan. Keep quiet, oh, don't ask anything. Ganyan, parang ganon. So parang ako, okay, sige, sige, baka may time. Oh, nagwe-wait lang ako. So nung March yun. So sabi ko, hindi na kaya. I have to do something. Not only for him, but for myself. Kasi parang awang-awa na ako eh. So sabi ko, hi, ganon. Busy ka? Sabi niya sa akin. Oh, busy ako kasi nakikinig ako kay Papa Jack. Ikaw yung inaano niya. Sorry Sorry talaga kasi Papa Jack, I don't really know you, promise. Nakilala lang kita dahil sa kanya. Kasi inaano kanya sa akin eh. I'm busy kasi nakikinig ako kay Papa Jack. So sabi ko, okay, isa-search ko nga tong si Papa Jack. Sino ba to? Sabi ko. So, ayun nga,
So
advice,
kumbaga,
mga ganon.
unbeknownst to him, this yung pagkaka-introduce
Sorry talaga nadamo.
pagkaka-introduce niya sa akin sa'yo is going to bite him back.
Hindi ko talaga kilala. Sabi ko, sino ba ito Papa Jack? Friend mo? Sabi niya, sa Facebook, ganyan. So sabi ko, okay, busy ka. Kausap mo ba? Sabi niya, hindi, nakikinig lang ako. Hindi, makinig din ako. Saan ba? Paano ba? Gumaganon ako. Kasi I don't really know you talaga.
That's okay,
So,
that's okay.
so sabi niya, nakikinig ako, huwag kang istorbo. Sabi niya ganon. So, siyempre, kami mga babae ako, 36 na ako eh. So, I know the delivered and the sent sa messenger. So, delivered lahat ng mga messages ko. Sabi ko, really? Nag-uusap pa rin kayo ni Papa Jack? Sabi kong ganon. Grabe naman si Papa Jack, pakausap naman ako. Grabe, 4 a.m. Gumaganon ako. Sabi niya, hindi. Talaga nakikinig ako sa kanya kasi siya, may podcast, ganyan. Sabi ko, saan ba yan? Kasi gusto ko din makinig. Kasi sana all 4 a.m., di ba? O, ganon. Gumaganon ako sa kanya. Tapos nung tumawag ako, nag-ring. Ring ng ring kasi hindi talaga ako mapakali. Kasi yung may instinct talaga yung mga babae, di ba? Ay, sorry. Bawal ba? Sorry. Ay, my God. Sabi
Sige
ko,
lang.
ay, iba to. Iba talaga yung nararamdaman ko. Kasi, sino ba tong Papa Jack? Baka babae to. Ganon.
Papa nga
Talagang
Bagay, baka babae nga ako.
Oo,
Tapos,
ako, nag-search talaga. Sabi ko, si Papa Jack, maraming followers, something like that. So, ay, lalaki, ganun. So, parang iba. So, sabi ko, ano ba talaga? Pwede mo naman sabihin sa akin. Di ba? Yung parang maging honest ka lang sa akin. Wala namang problema eh.
Okay.
Wala, hindi siya makapag-reply, ganyan. Hanggang sa, nalaman ko na lang talaga, March 30 yun, na, yun, nasa dating app siya. Tapos may name, tapos status niya, single, and then his face, post niya doon. So, yeah, doon ako parang, yeah, the Papa Jack thing. Ito pala yun. Okay. Yeah. Masakit. Sobra.
Okay.
Yeah. Ang ano ko lang, Papa Jack.
Mhm.
Kasi na-average fan siya sa'yo eh.
Okay,
Oo, I'm feeling that.
let's not go there. Regardless of whether he
Okay.
listens to me or not, ano problema mo sa kanya?
Wala. Binigay ko lahat sa kanya.
Mhm.
But parang hindi pa rin ako enough.
Enough
Alam mo
for
yun?
enough for what?
Para pakilala sa parents niya. 7 years. Like, uuwian lang ako 1 week. 4 days. Kasi, may sira yung sa Cebu, may sira sa ganito, ganyan. I have this kind of time. Ito lang yung ibigay ko sa'yo. You know? So, yun. Hinahanap ko pa rin yung deserve ko hanggang ngayon.
Okay. What do you want?
And then,
Go ahead.
nung sorry Papa Jack, nung nalaman ko, ni-screenshot ko, ni-send ko sa kanya. Siya updated sa dating site, which is dun tayo nagkakilala. Wala. Seen. Almost like 2 weeks. 1 week. Yeah, seen lang. Walang explanation, walang closure. So, yeah. Nasa ako ngayon. Hanging. I really find the answer, but I don't know where to find it. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
What can you say?
No, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the question. What do you want to ask me?
We have to wait.
No.
No?
Yeah. No.
7 years?
Kayo ba?
Huh?
Kayo ba?
Oo. Kilala siya ng family ko. 7 years.
Kayo ba? Magjowa ba kayo?
Oo, para sa akin.
Exactly, you're not.
Why?
Hindi kayo magjowa. I mean, you're a comfortable weekend getaway for him. You are in no position to cry foul kasi hindi mo siya boyfriend. Ha? You cannot cry foul. Hindi ka girlfriend ka ba? Ha?
Para sa akin, oo.
Hindi mo pwedeng para sa ilan bang tao sa relasyon, di ba dalawa? Ikaw lang nakakaalam. Ha?
Yeah.
Ibig sabihin, ikaw lang nakakaalam?
Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Eye-opener. Thank you.
Look,
Sorry.
no, you don't have to apologize. This is actually my job. Okay, listen carefully, ganito. Hindi kita, at some point, gusto ka nang sisihin na hindi kita masisi, no? Because, I get where you're coming from. Napakitaan ka ng matinong treatment. No?
Mhm. Yes po.
Minus the commitment. Diba? You equated him going out of his way, buying gifts for you, to him loving you. In-equate mo yung dalawang yun eh. Tingnan mo ngayon, tinatanong kita. Kayo ba? Hindi mo masabi na kayo. Para sa akin.
Yes, para sa akin,
Exactly.
oo.
But that's not enough. So, pwede palang jowa ko si Dua Lipa ngayon. Kasi para sa akin, pwede pala yon nang hindi niya alam. Ganun ba yon?
Maybe kasi sa utak ko, I don't know. Maybe kasi hindi siya ready or may hinahanap pa siya sa akin na maging, ano mo yun, compatible sa family niya. Kasi may kaya siya, Papa Jack. Kasi may kaya talaga.
Well, evidently meron, no?
Yeah.
So, for 7 years, are you really saying that may hinahanap pa rin siya hanggang ngayon, hindi niya figure out?
Mm-hmm. Yes,
Really?
Maybe. Maybe,
my
but for me kung
Oh my
tatanungin mo
God,
ako,
here you are trying to come up with alibis for him.
yeah. Medyo tanga din ako.
Hindi ka medyo tanga.
Grabe.
Okay, ganito. Tanggalin natin lahat tanggalin natin lahat to. Kunyari, naging malinaw sa'yo. The fact na sa dating app siya. What does that tell you? He's not committed to you. You are a comfortable, weak, and getaway for him. Alam mo yan, mula umpisa, ramdam mo na yan, umpisa pa lang. Huwag tayong maglokohan. Alam mo, you sound as if you're a very reasonable woman. You sound smart, you sound witty. Sobrang witty mo, naging stupid ka na because you tend to analyze your own situation and try to give solutions to a problem that you deny yourself even exist.
Yes.
There's a guy you've been having sex with for 7 years.
Yes.
You met the guy when you were 29, nung fresh ka pa. You were 29.
Yeah.
Fresh ka pa, di ba? Wala pang kulubot sa anes.
Virgin. Fresh na fresh.
No, I'm not kidding. Di ba?
Yeah.
That was almost your prime. You were 29. Tama, mali?
Tama po.
7 years later, you are now 36. Where have all the years gone by? Tell me. Throw it away. Why? Because you got used to just being treated with the mediocre way.
Grabe.
You saw him on dating app. Tama?
Yes po.
You're not even in the position to, di ba, para komprontahin siya. Hindi ka naman girlfriend eh. Kasex ka lang yan ng 7 taon.
Oh my God. Ang sakit naman dahil. Pero yes, accept that.
Tell me if I'm wrong. I'll apologize to you, but I'm not.
Tama ka. Gusto ko nga saktan ako ngayon eh. Para, alam mo yun, pagkabukas, gising na ako. Alam mo yun. Yeah. Tama. Yeah. I don't have the right. Tama. Yes, sir. Yes.
Nangyari. Alam mo nang hinayang sa... Sarcy, in 4 years time, you are 40 years old. In 4 years time, you will be 40 years old. Kung tinigilan mo ito when you were 30, isang taon mo lang ginawa yan, 30. Baka married ka na ngayon, may 2 ka ng anak siguro. A family of your own. I'm sorry, but the fact that you are where you're at right now, that this is a product of your own stupid indecisions.
Yes. Yeah. Tama. Correct. I agree. Tama, sir. Grabe, no? Ngayon lang ako nataruhan. I'm crying. Sorry, ha.
You should be.
Kasi I try to be like very independent and like parang strong. Bisaya kasi, di ba, malakas.
Mm.
But nakausap kita. Like, I was like, damn! Woo! Grabe. Woo! 7 years.
We can no longer gain those years back into your life. Those 7 years, hindi ko alam kung wasted yun or whatnot, but they could just serve as lessons to you. You'll never gain those years back into your life. Wala na yan, tapos na yan.
Okay? Yes. Tama.
But,
Uh-huh.
but,
But,
it's never too late to start over again. Stand your ground. Diba? Tell him that it's over. Stop coming over. You're no longer welcome.
do I have?
Of course you have
Do I
to.
have to contact him?
Of course you have to. You have to tell him.
Oh my God. Really?
Because I'm afraid na pag hindi mo ginawang formal ito sa kanya and one day he shows up,
Okay.
helpless ka na naman. Tapos tinanggal niya yung
Okay.
pag tinanggal niya yung bra mo, patay na naman tayo. Tinan mo
Okay.
Tinan mo yung landi mo. Alam mo, I've done this show for a very long time now. Sobra kayong addict sa sex life ninyo.
Mm-hmm.
Yung tawa mo, alam mo,
Grabe naman yun, sir. Judgmental yarn. Hindi
sure?
Wala, siguro. Ganito
No,
lang talaga ako.
Come on. What binded you for the past 7 years was your sexual activities. Wag mo akong lokohin. Yun.
I think,
Yes. I mean, we are all mature people here. Yun talaga yan.
okay.
Burahin nyo na yung mga videos nyo.
Po?
You heard me. Make sure that you ask him to delete all your videos. If you have any compromising videos sa phone niya. You see,
Okay.
you have. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. Hindi ako bago
Wala
sa
akong alam.
hindi ako bago sa larangan na to.
Okay.
I'm protecting you. It sounds so trivial while I am saying this. Pero pag hindi na-delete yung mga yan, and one day you start a new relationship with somebody at lumabas yan.
Yeah. I will start na. Yes, sir. Yes. Definitely I will.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Huwag mo nang i-zoom in. Mamamiss mo bigla. Ang laki pero balik ko baka gumanong ka pa.
Diba? Gumagano sandit. Yes.
Naaawa ko sa'yo na natatangahan. But, well, you have 7 years worth of lessons.
Yeah. Pero I will take note na sinabi mo na I have to contact him.
Yes.
Or-
You have to make it formal. Whether whether i-acknowledge niya o hindi, you have to make sure that he knows.
So, like parang ito question ko lang, Papa Jack.
No.
What if? Okay.
Hindi na mag-question. What if? Hindi na ganun. Just tell him, I'm making a decision for myself. I think this is the wisest decision I'm going to make for myself. I'm walking away from whatever, diba, is between us. I wish you well. Please do the same for me. I would need the same regard from you. Thank you for knowing me, and diba, I will thank God. I will thank the universe for having me known you for 7 years, and that's it. Good luck. Somewhere along those lines. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I will do that.
Those were just impromptu. Pasensya ka na. Impromptu lang yun. But somewhere along those lines.
Mm-hmm. Please, binigyan mo ako ng idea kung paano mag
Since,
yan.
since he listens to me, let's do it right now.
Pero masakit siya papadyak, no? Let's go. Laban.
Go ahead.
Ito na yan eh.
I want you to go ahead and say goodbye to him right now. Go.
Yes, I'm doing it right now.
I want to hear it. Come on, say it. Ano mensahe mo sa kanya?
Um, um, I think ito na yung last na nakikita mo yung message ko. Sana kung may mahanap ka man na iba, sana yun na yung mapapakilala mo sa parents mo. Naging masaya ako para sa'yo. Kung saan ka masaya, masaya na din ako. Huwag na mag-alala sa akin. I'm gonna be okay. Pag-alayain na kita. Yun. Sana, yun lang. Sana maging masaya ka. Yun lang po. Sana maging masaya lang siya. I don't have any negative na isusumbat sa kanya kung ano yung nabigay niya. Basta ang sa akin lang, gusto ko maging masaya siya kung sino man yung kasama niya ngayon. Yun lang yun. Kung hindi man lang ako sapat para sa kanya, for 7 years na yun, it's fine. Kaya ko naman mahalin yung sarili ko eh. Hindi nga lang madali. Nasa process yun, so it's fine. Yeah. Di ba ganun yung pagmamahal, Papa Jack?
Yeah.
Yung pagpapalaya, genuinely, comes with your heart. Walang hatred. Yun. Although, miss kita. Pero, wala eh. Hanggang dun na lang. Basta, wala, maging masaya siya. Yeah. I'm okay. Makakatayo din ako. Makakatulog din ako mamaya after this. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. 7 years.
Umuiyak ka, ginusto mo yan.
Yeah, 7 years.
Well, this might be symbolic, no? At best, but maliban sa pinapalaya mo siya, dapat pinapalaya mo ang sarili mo.
Yun lang kami mahirap. Takot siya eh.
It will take
Kasi,
time. It will take time, pero kaya.
ang dami kong inisip ngayon. Kasi, siguro, mayaman, siguro, ganito ako. Yeah.
No. Don't blame yourself. For 7 years, you've shown him that you are willing to sacrifice. Those 7 years, if your story is accurate, those 7 years, Saisi, you've been so selfless.
Yes, alam niya yan.
Yes, you have. Everything has been all about him. You have been so selfless. You do not, hindi mo na para i-blame pa yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na feeling mo nagkulang ka. No. Okay na yan. Okay na yan.
Tama yan.
Hindi na fair yun. Hindi mo na deserve yun. You'll be okay. You'll find another person, but not yet. Magpagaling ka muna. There's a series dati sa yung Heroes, and there's a line that's my favorite. No? I wanna tell you, no? Sabi dun sa line na yan, allow yourself to catch its breath before letting someone take it away again. So rest.
Okay po. Opo. Yes.
Mag-delete ng video, ha?
Opo. Tama.
That's for you. That's for your own protection. It might sound trivial right now, Pero papasalamatan mo ako na dinilit mo yan.
Okay.
Huwag mo nang i-zoom in yan,
Opo.
ha? Huwag mo nang sabihin, "Ang galing ko dito, nag-perform ako. Helicopter, helicopter!"
Oh my God, you make me laugh. Okay, tumutulo yung luha. Pero
Mhm.
alam mo yun,
That's
galing
the
mo talaga.
That's the
Alam mo, ngayon lang kita nakilala, ang galing mo talaga. I owe you a coffee. Yan.
Kaya sa mga hindi po na kanina pa kasi kausap ko si sa IC sa chat kanina para i-schedule. Sabi niya bibigyan niya ako kape. Sabi ko no, wala pang bayad dito. You don't have to pay me anything.
But I insist po. Yeah.
I
Kung
insist.
sino man yung nakakabasa dyan, yeah, you deserve it. Sir,
Yeah.
salute. Promise. Kasi gumaan talaga yung pakiramdam ko ngayon.
Tsaka na lang, when the time comes, you are in a better position in life, tawagan mo ako ulit. Masaya na ako na one day
Really?
malaman ko
Yes.
na that you'll be in better circumstances, okay?
Yeah.
Ingat ka palagi, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye-bye
Thank
po.
you po, sir.
Bye-bye
Big
po.
time. Thank you. Bye-bye.